ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So little bit difficult problems, however it may be, you have to solve it. First you have to change this into quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. You must convert this problem into ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. For that, solution is take LCM, x into x minus 2 is equal to 3. Here what do you get? X minus 2 minus x. So cross multiplication, x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3 into x minus 2. So shall we cancel x and x here? Yes, this is minus 2. 3x into x minus 2. 3x square minus 2 into 3, 6x. This will go that side. 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So what are the values we got? 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we got all the a, b, c values. What is a? 3. What is b? Minus 6. What is c? 2. Now what is that we have to do? B square minus 4ac. What is this called? Discriminant. B square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a 3 into 2. 6 square 36 minus 6 whole square also is 36. Minus 4 into 3 into 2, 12 into 2, 24. This is 12. 12 is it positive or negative or 0? Positive. Then what do you think about the roots? The roots are real and different. That means we are going to get 2 real different roots. So roots are obtained by minus p plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? Minus of minus 6, 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 2 into 3, 6. So 6 plus or minus 12 is written as 4 into 3. 4 into 3 by 6. What is root 4? 2. So 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. You can take 2 as common. 3 plus or minus root 3 by, this is written as 2 into 3. 2 gets cancelled. So this is 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3. This is the answer. So the roots are, how to write the roots? 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3. This way you can conclude the answer. 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3. Sometimes this can be simplified further. What is 3 by 3? 1. 1 plus root 3 by 3. Or you can write it as 1 plus 1 by root 3. And the other answer is 1 minus 1 by root 3. This way also you can write it, but that answer is enough. So look at the problem looks difficult, but be careful to do this kind of problems. I will explain the same problem once again. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3, where x is non-zero, x is not equal to 2 is given. So this is the question. This kind of question is given in the examination. No mention of how to do this problem, whether do it by factorization or do it by formula method. They don't mention it. They will ask simply solve it. How to solve it? You have to take this problem, simplify it, cross multiply it. After simplification, you get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. This is the form which is required, which is very, very important. General form. You must try to get this form, then only you will be able to do the problem. So after that, you know pretty well how to compare the values. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 2. ABC values are written here. This is very important. After that, you can go ahead by formula method. Sometimes factorization method may not be thought of. For this kind of problems, you cannot know, you cannot guess the answers by factorization method. So the only thing is go by direct formula method. This is direct formula method. If you write this kind of formula, you should write in the exam also like this. If you do this way, this is the given question. We have general form and we have used this formula method and we have concluded whether it is positive or negative or 0. Accordingly, we got that the two roots are different. So the roots will appear to be different here because we got the two roots positive. Positive indicates the two roots are real and different. So like this, you have to conclude any problem. This is very important problem, little bit tough problem, which is, if at all it is given in the examination, answering the question is not that easy, but be very, very cautious to do this kind of problems. So if at all you are given a word problem, how to answer the word problem? Word problems can be answered with the help of creating one quadratic equation. So I am telling you, I am writing one problem, word problem here after. So let us take 5 minutes time, after that we will come back. Welcome back students, I am Yogananda teaching quadratic equations for class 10. In this quadratic equations chapter, there are some important word problems which are very, very important in the examination point of view. That kind of problems we are trying to do now. Let me do one problem. Find two consecutive odd positive integers whose sum of squares is 290. The question is given as find two consecutive odd positive integers. Find two consecutive odd integers. Odd positive integers also mentioned, so that what is the condition given here? Find the two consecutive odd positive integers so that the sum of squares is sum of their squares is, he has given the squares as 290. Now you have to find the 2. This is the word problem, which is very important from the examination point of view. Word problem, you have to convert the word problem into quadratic equation so that it can be solved by quadratic equations formula method. So what is he is mentioning? There are two consecutive odd positive integers. how to say that there are, how to assume that consecutive integers? What do you mean by consecutive integers? For that, let me write on the rough. If you write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on to the right, they are positive, odd, positive integers. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are positive integers. If I write on the left also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on, they are negative integers. 0 is 0. So 0 to the right of 0 they are called positive integers. To the left of 0 they are called negative integers. So this is bifurcation. Negative integers. This is positive integers. Look at the bifurcation here. 0 negative integers, positive integers. In these positive integers, now we want odd integers and even integers. We want to separate them. How to separate? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. They are odd integers. They are odd integers. When you separate them like this, they are odd integers. Look at this. I am writing odd integers here. They are odd integers. How to separate even integers from odd? From the integers odd and even, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are even positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are all positive integers. In that, how to separate? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on are odd integers. 2, 4, 6, 8 are even integers. Similarly, in the left side also you can see minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, so on are odd, and minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, so on are even integers. Now, here the question is not about positive integers, but about odd positive integers which are consecutive. What do you mean by consecutive? One after another. Suppose I take 3 as one integer. What is the consecutive integer of 3? Next integer. What is the consecutive of 3? Next one, 5. 3 and 5 are consecutive. 3 and 5 are positive integers, odd integers, consecutive integers. Am I right? So like that, our integers are 2 in number, which are consecutive, which are odd, and which are positive. 3 conditions are satisfied here. For that, what we have to do? We must compare. Now we must assume 2 integers in such a way that they are assume it. Whenever you assume one integer as x, then what could be the next consecutive integer to x? X plus 2. Whether it is even or odd, 2 consecutive integers are always differ by what? 2. So by looking at the first integer, just add 2 to that, you get the next consecutive integer. You subtract 2 to that, you get the previous consecutive integer. So you must be able to recollect that whenever x is a positive integer, the next consecutive integer is x plus 2, odd integer. If it is even or odd, just any integer, how to discriminate that? X and x plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. It is x plus 1, it is x plus 2. 1 and 2, how do they differ by? X and x plus 1. If it is odd, x and x plus 2. If it is even, then also x and x plus 2. So this is the theory behind the 2 consecutive odd positive integers. So now solution is, let the integers positive, odd, consecutive, all 3 conditions. Condition 1, positive integers. Condition 2, odd integers. Condition 3, consecutive. All the three conditions are to be satisfied when we assume. Let the positive or odd consecutive integers into two integers. Let the two integers be. How do we take it? X and x plus 2. Say we are supposing that they are x and x plus 2. What is the given condition? Condition is what? Square of x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to what? 290. Square of the first, square of the second, and added up is giving 290 value. If at all you recollect that x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290, in a minute's time you are able to do this problem in 2 or 3 minutes time. So answering this question is depended on how you recollect the two positive integers which are consecutive and odd. So you must assume that they are x and x plus 2. If you assume them as x and x plus 1, question is gone, problem is gone, 0 marks. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290. So on expansion, x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 is equal to 0. It is 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. Divide by 2 throughout, x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. So 2 times when you do it, what do you get? Just check it up. X square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. So you can write it as x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can now simplify it by any method like this. So this is not required, you don't need to write it in the exam also, it is only your thinking process, how you think and do it is this. So let us do this now by taking the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what do you get? What is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c? All these three values are now written here. So look at the problem. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 143. What is b square minus 4ac by 2a? First we will find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b square is 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 143. So it is 4 plus 4 into 143. 400, 440 is 160, 560, 572. So this is 576, which is 24 square. So now we have to solve it for the values. What are the values? What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. I am writing the value. What is minus b? Minus 2 plus or minus 24 square by 2a, 2 into a, 2. So this is minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. So take the first case, minus 2 plus 24 by 2 and minus 2 minus 24 by 2. Minus 2 plus 24 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. Minus 2 minus 24 is minus 26. By 2 is minus 13. So when x is 11, x plus 2 is equal to 13. This is one answer. And in this case what happens? X is equal to minus 13, x plus 2 is equal to minus 11. But these are negative integers, am I right? These are negative, but given they are positive, not true. Therefore, this is the true answer. What is the true answer? What is the correct answer? The two positive odd the two positive odd consecutive integers are 11 and 13 respectively. If at all they don't mention positive, you can write this answer also. If the question if positive is not mentioned, that answer also is correct. Minus 11 minus 13 is also correct answer. So find consecutive odd positive integers so that the sum of their squares is 290. Take x and x plus 2, proceed further, you will get the answer. The answer is 11 and 13.
Hello students, my name is R.K. Pandey. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur from electrical engineering. I teach chemistry in K. Venkana classes. I head the chemistry department. The main facility of K. Venkana classes is all the faculty are very rich in experience, and they have taught students who have secured single and double digits. They have got very good ranks in JEE and NEET. So if you are serious for your career and if you want to pursue your career in engineering or medical, you are surely welcome here. The facilities includes not only the top tier teachers, but the other facilities like doubt clearing sessions and other academic as well as personal treatment that is provided by this institute.
Welcome back students. Let us do one more word problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. More than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find sides. This is the question. This is a word problem which is given in terms of rectangular field, diagonal and shorter side and longer side. So let us draw a small example, small figure such that it is a rectangular shape, rectangle in shape. It is a rectangular field. What is the diagonal given? He mentioned that the diagonal is, what is the diagonal given? This is the diagonal. The data about the diagonal is that it is 60 meters more than the shorter side. What about the shorter side and the longer side? Look at the shorter side and longer side. So let us suppose this is shorter side x, this is longer side, this is shorter side, this is diagonal. Am I right? So in the diagonal and longer side, shorter side, let us assume that the short side is x. Then what is given about the longer side? Longer side is 30 plus x. 30 plus x. What about the diagonal? 60 plus x. This is what is mentioned. So you can see, look at the right angle triangle here. This is x plus 60, this is x plus 30, this is x. Suppose this is 90 degrees. What is Pythagoras theorem saying that?